Okay, today we are going to cover using intercepts. First of all, I want you to understand the x-intercept and the y-intercept. If you remember, this is your x-axis over here. Goes left and right, from left to right or right to left. And then you have your y-axis, your vertical line, okay? Your x-axis is where you would find your x-intercept, where it crosses this x-axis. So here would be your x-intercept. Your y-axis is where you would find your y-intercept. If you look at those points, the point of the x-axis is 5, 0, okay? I'm sorry, of the x-intercept. The point of your y-intercept is 0, 3. So if you notice, the x-intercept, the y-coordinate is 0, okay? The y-intercept, the x-coordinate is 0. So if I give you a question and I give you just a graph and I say find the x and y-intercepts, you would say the x-intercept is 5, and you would say the y-intercept is 3. It is that simple. All right, I will give you an equation and I will ask you to find the x and y intercepts. If you go back, you'll see that when to find the x-intercept, y equals 0. To find the y-intercept, x equals 0, and it's the same thing, okay? To find the x-intercept, you're going to replace your y with 0 and solve for x. So using 3x minus 2y equals 12, I am going to replace my y with 0. So I have 3x minus 2 times 0 equals 12. 3x, negative 2 times 0 is 0, so nothing there, equals 12. And we solve for x. Divide both sides by 3. You see how we can't get away from solving equations, guys? And x is 4. So the x-intercept is 4. All right, we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to find the y-intercept. 3x minus 2y equals 12. To find the y-intercept, you replace x with 0. So I have 3 times 0 minus 2y equals 12. 3 times 0 is 0, so we just have negative 2y equals 12, okay? And I mean, you don't want to write 3 times 0 and write 0 here, 0 minus 2y. There's nothing there. So you divide both sides by negative 2, and y equals negative 6. Please don't drop those signs, guys. So the y-intercept is negative 6. Here, I want you to find the x and y-intercept. To find the x-intercept, we're going to set y equal to 0. Negative 3x plus 5 times 0 equals 30. So negative 3x, 5 times 0 is 0. So it just equals 30. So to solve for x, I divide both sides by negative 3. And x equals negative 10. So that is your x-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we do the same thing, except this time you set x equal to 0. So negative 3 times 0 plus 5y equals 30. I'm just rewriting the original equation here. 0 plus 5y equals 30. Divide both sides by 5. Y equals 6. So my x-intercept is negative 10. My y-intercept is 6. Pause the video and find the x and y-intercept of 4x plus 2y equals 16. Alright, so you have 4x plus, I'm trying to find the x-intercept, so I set y equal to 0. 2 times 0 equals 16. 4x, 2 times 0 is just 0, so I don't have to write 0 here. equals 16. To solve for x, you divide both sides by 4. X equals 4. So the x-intercept is 4. And this time I'm going to set x equal to 0 to find the y-intercept. So I have 2y equals 16. Divide both sides by 2. Cancels. Y equals 8. So the x-intercept is 4 and the y-intercept is 8. And that is it for today's lesson. If you have any questions, please send me an email, guys.